We used to have each other's playlists. No, no. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways, but your heart's still in mine. Yeah. And maybe we could try it next week again, but I don't wanna think we're toxic. But who cares? You said that we're over, hands under covers alone this time. But everything I see still reminds me of you. Bag of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Emma. Karibu sana to the squad. Please, if you've not subscribed, subscribe down below and turn on the notifications to get notified every time I post a new video. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I really missed you and I love you so much. Thank you for always showing up and clicking onto my videos. So this is just a self-care pamper routine that I do at least monthly or twice a month, depending on how serious the damage will be. So I had really bad exams, medical school, and I had to do everything from scratch. So I just did my nails. I am a nail tech. I do my own nails. I did my own toes, and I got this inspo, I think, from IG, but I can't remember the page. So yeah, I delivered exactly what I saw. Apart from the glitter, I added that one. So I really liked it. So onto my nails. So I'm in that short nail girl era, and I think it's turning into a lifestyle of a sort because I am enjoying having short nails. And something else that influenced me have short nails is school. I work in a lab, a medical lab, so I need short nails to be able to do everything around there. And I had very intense exams, lab exams, so I had to have short nails. So I love this era. I love it so much. It's so comfortable. I don't know, ilinitoka the one I used to keep very long nails, but not anymore. So what I'm doing here is just filing and doing overlays on my nails because my nails were damaged before. When I started doing nails professionally, I used to practice a lot on my nails and it really damaged my natural nails. So I'm kind of healing that and allowing my nail to grow and release that damaged parts, you know. So I'm using overlays to get to make my nails stronger.
Everything has been used and worn out. Every note, every word, all go a similar route. But if I could summarize that pair of eyes in a sentence, I would never grow tired of the phrase. Did I make sure I made you feel like nothing else mattered in the world? Nothing that proceeds from these lips could be sufficient, even if I managed to say all I felt. So is it possible to let you know that I don't want another day to go by without you in the songs that I write?
So I'm also a neutral girly these days. I just go with something monochrome and neutral, and I went with this lovely brown. It's a mocha. Is it mocha or mocha color? That dark brown color, and I loved it. Mwah. perfect. I don't know why it's a little bit dark over here, but I wish you could see it in real life. It's perfect.
To a melody that's already been sung. Ooh, even still my
So the next thing is I washed my head. I had braids on. I undid my hair, and this is me washing my head because my head was stinking 1 whole month without doing anything on my hair. What? It was stinking a lot. I had to wash and deep condition my hair. So I'm in this like stage where I have to regularly like do my hair. If you know me, I'm not a person wa kushuka. I don't do hair. I style it, but my hair has become so damaged because I had it dyed. It was dyed blonde before and it was bleached, so it was damaged kiasi. So I had to like start putting on protective hairstyles to allow my hair to grow without breaking off every time, because in a grow but in a katika, I need to see that growth. I am going in with the Mikala leave-in conditioner. I love it, and their customer service, you know. And the shampoo was from Zoe. Is it Zoe or Zoe? I call it Zoe. So yeah, and I put on a shower cap to just allow my hair to be damp for a longer time and allow the leave-in to actually get into my roots and my hair.
nothing that proceeds from these lips could be sufficient, even if I managed to say.
The next day I went and did these cornrows that I love. I was like doubtful at first because my head, real estate, shamba pale Kitui, kichwa yangu ni kubwa. I have a very like big head surface area, and I was like, I'm fearing like I don't know my head to look like a football. That's football ball. Yeah, that's soccer ball. I don't want it to look that way, but the results, impeccable. And why do hairstylists tell us to part our own braids for ourselves? Why? They need to get that wooden thing that stand for parting the braid stuff, because at some point it's boring because you want to do other stuff and you can't do it, and you have like to keep up to their speed. Oh my god, and you are paying for this service. Anyway, Kenya, we have to deal with that. It's okay as long as the results are good. And actually, yeah, this is the first time since 2019 I am doing my hair in a salon, or I'm getting my hair done by a hairstylist. I usually do my own hair. It's because I wanted to go somewhere, and I will tell you in the next vlog. So, best friend, I had to put you onto this. I'm not keeping this because I wish someone told me earlier. So if you are that girl that always reacts with braiding hair, I have something for you. So there's this new hair from Sista. It is called the Mzuri Sista braiding hair. That hair, hautajikuna, it does not react to you. And the first few times I used it, I was like, niaje sijajikuna this time, or ni technique nimetumia different. But I realized it is not the technique, it is the hair itself. But there's a con to it. It is not a hot water braid. So in case you want anything with curls, this is not the one for you. But me personally, I'd sacrifice the curls just to get a comfortable, soothing head and scalp. Nisikuwe na itch until vidonda zinatokea. So don't say I didn't tell you. Write that down. So afterwards, I went home and decided to do a little bit of facial care, and that is I just cleansed my face. I don't do a lot on my face because my face is so sensitive, like very sensitive. I don't do a lot on my face. I just did a cleansing my face to like prepare my face for shaving. Yes, I was shaving my face kidogo, not too much. For this I used rice soap. I always use that one because my face is a little bit on the oily side, and the rice soap helps to like maintain that oil. I don't know who needs to hear this, but you should get a separate towel for your face, and I've started doing this, and once I started seeing results, because you can't use the same towel that you're going to use on your butt and put it right on your face. Don't do that. Don't be like that girl, I know. So next thing is I was shaving my face, and I went in with this aloe vera gel. It's like a pure based aloe vera gel, and it just helps with soothing in case of any cuts, and also moisturizing the skin to provide a smooth surface for that blade to glide on, because once you have washed your face, you just stripped off the oil of your face, you know, and it's a little bit dry and inconsistent. Yeah,
feel like nothing else mattered in the world. Nothing that proceeds from these lips could be sufficient, even if I managed to say all I felt. So is it possible to let you know that I don't want another day to go by without you in the songs that I write? It's just a sequel to a melody that's already been sung. Ooh. Even still my heart is so full of songs that will never belong to anyone else. Nothing that proceeds from these lips could be sufficient, even if I managed to say all I felt. So is it possible to let you know that I don't want another day?
so afterwards I went in with this Nivea moisturizer and just moisturized my face and hands, because I used a lot of water and you don't want dry skin.
There are melodies that emerge from my heart, songs of love, songs of hurt that make a beautiful art. But the songs I'll never write, I would keep me up at night, 'cause I'm afraid I left something unsaid.
So finally for the day, yani to round this all up, I went and took a good shower and cleansed every corner of my body. If you have not watched my shower routine, click the link on the top right corner or find the link in the description box. You'll find everything about my shower routine. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you have enjoyed or learned something, please give it a huge thumbs up, and also copy link for me and share it with a friend or two, just to support my views. And also, if you have not subscribed, subscribe down below and touch the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. And I will see you next time, same place kama kawaida. And just assume you saw like I was struggling with makeup over here. If you don't go into the shower if you have not removed your makeup, don't be like me. So anyway guys, I'll see you next time, same place kama kawaida. Leave me a comment down below, just say hi or something, you know. I will see you next time. Bye bye, and I love you so much. Kisses. Mwah.
Sufficient, even if I managed to say all I felt? So is it possible to let you know that I don't want another day to go by without you in the songs that I write? It's just a sequel to a melody that's already been sung. Ooh. Even still my heart is so full of songs that will never belong to anyone else. Nothing that proceeds from these lips could be sufficient, even if I managed to say all I felt. So is it possible to let you know that I don't want another day to go by without you in the songs that I write? Without you in the songs that I write.